10 Easy Ways How to Make Money Online. The past year encouraged all of us to embrace the great indoors. No surprise, then, that interest in how to make money online from the safety of our homes is now on the rise. What once felt like a distant daydream is now a reality for millions of people. Those of us who worked remotely from our home offices for the last few years have a lot less explaining to do at family events. The path to earning a meaningful amount of money online has become much clearer. The magic of the web is that it's a sales channel, marketing network, and community hub all in one, plus so much more. There are many creative ways to make money online beyond surveys and selling used goods on Craigslist. That said, some businesses and side hustles are better suited to the laptop lifestyle than others. In this guide, we'll break down the strengths and shortcomings of a few of the top money-making options. How to make money online, 10 proven ways. To make choosing the best ways to make money online easier, we'll look at several key factors. Business type, whether the idea is product-based, service-based, or driven by an audience. Effort, how much time, skill, or experience you'll need to put into the idea. Leverage, how well positioned you are to turn the idea into a money-making one that increases in value without needing your direct attention. A high-leverage idea isn't a one trade of time for money. Startup costs, the upfront budget you'll need to launch the idea. Profit potential, how much profit you can expect to make from your idea per year. But before starting, do subscribe our channel. 1. Dropshipping. Business type, product-based. Effort, medium. Leverage, high. Startup costs, 3 out of 5. Last year, many worldwide trends experienced a decade's worth of acceleration. One such trend was the rise of e-commerce. There are a number of ways to run an e-commerce business, some of which allow for minimal need to carry and hold lots of inventory. Enter dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you don't keep the products you sell in stock. Instead, when a customer buys something from your store, a third party fulfills and ships the order for you. Because startup costs are low, it's an increasingly popular way to make money online for beginners and pros alike. 2. Print on demand. Print on demand allows sellers to customize white-label products with their own designs and sell them only after a customer buys, eliminating the need to hold inventory, which is what makes it a subset of dropshipping. When a customer places an order, a print-on-demand company will add your design to the product, fulfill the order, and ship it to the customer. The most significant advantage print-on-demand offers over dropshipping is that you have control over the aesthetic of your products. 3. Custom products. While the options above come bundled with the convenience of not holding on to expensive inventory, they do come with some limitations, mainly that you don't have full control over the product you're selling. And when you think of most direct-to-consumer brands, this is what comes to mind. Original products that make meaningful improvements or add interesting details to well-known items. It gives you full control over the product development and quality of your items. For sale on Etsy. Every online marketplace, from Etsy to Amazon, offers a shared set of advantages and disadvantages. The upside is that you get access to their network of shoppers. People regularly browse these sites when they need to buy something, so setting up shop lets you meet them there. That said, since these channels can work in harmony with your own website, sometimes they're a great place to begin. New online makers can use Etsy to grow brand awareness at first. It has an active community of 45.7 million buyers. We've seen many businesses successfully switch to Shopify after generating their first few sales on Etsy. 5. Sell on Amazon. Amazon has become a marketplace that welcomes new e-commerce entrepreneurs. It takes a few minutes to sign up for an account and a few more minutes to get a product listing live. The platform has a massive audience, it's a global marketplace, and it's a go-to destination for product discovery and research. Listing optimization can help your products get found and unlock new opportunities. And Amazon's in-app promotions can increase your brand's visibility for highly targeted audiences. Yet some e-commerce entrepreneurs question the long-term sustainability of selling on Amazon. While the marketplace is great for helping shoppers surface desired products, it's challenging for sellers to get their business noticed. Amazon attracts many resellers of the same products you may offer. 6. Digital products. Digital products carry some of the best margins of any product you can sell. The upfront costs of development can be high, but the variable costs of selling digital products is comparatively low. Once media or software is made, it isn't very expensive to deliver to customers. At its core, a digital product is an intangible asset you can sell repeatedly without restocking inventory. They often come in downloadable files such as a PDF, plugin, or interactive document. These products have become such a good source of passive income that many top professional influencers, bloggers, or public icons release digital products such as guides, ebooks, templates, research findings, plans, and tutorials. 7. Media. Media is a very wide-ranging term, but the best description available. If you're a creator in the market to sell music, videos, digital art, paid newsletters, magazines, or podcasts, media seems closely related to digital products, but the difference with media is that it tends to be geared toward creative ventures. For example, a writer starting a paid newsletter subscription, or an artist learning how to sell art online. The best part about selling media is that, a lot of the time, it's a way for people to express themselves online. Artists and creators who didn't have access to networks, galleries, or PR in the past can now build a brand, grow a following, and make money online doing something they love. Harry Hambley, the cartoonist behind the successful brand Ketnips, encourages creators to follow their dreams as an artist. You should always do whatever you feel inspired by, he says. When it comes to creating media for the public, Harry explains how doing something complicated doesn't guarantee success. It's more about having a solid idea, and then being able to communicate it easily. In a world where negativity is widespread online, the Ketnips brand is a positive light. 8. Blogging. You've probably read a business blog at some point in your life. Businesses use blogging to share knowledge and insights, build an audience, and get more leads and sales. Blogging has endless benefits, such as building thought leadership in an industry and improving search engine visibility for a brand. Blogging to make money online has grown beyond big businesses and side hustles. Anyone can now build an audience by putting out great content and make a lot of money from their blog. Bloggers also tend to take a personal approach that resonates with an intended audience versus getting information from a company blog. 9. Affiliate marketing. There seems to be a trend with online-only business models still being relatively misunderstood. Well, add affiliate marketing to that pile. There's no snake oil to be found here. So, how does monetization work through this model? Essentially, publishers or individuals can apply for affiliate programs wherever they're available in order to be added as an official affiliate. Once you're accepted, you'll receive a way to share an affiliate link to the product or service you're interested in promoting. When someone buys the product after clicking your link, you'll receive credit for the referral, along with a commission. The commission amount depends on the affiliate program and the product being sold. 10. Online courses and workshops. Creating a truly great online course is tough. You need to know the ins and outs of a specific subject and then have the skill and dedication to codify that knowledge and either write or record your best advice for customers. And, of course, you need to successfully market the course once it's made, often the most difficult part of all. There's a reason online courses have a pretty broad appeal, though. Once a course is created, it accrues all of the benefits of any digital product. The costs to deliver the product to more customers is essentially zero, with the exception of hosting. Compare that to the need to maintain inventory that all physical product businesses face, and you'll find yourself dealing with fewer product-related headaches as you scale. The appetite for digital courses and continuing education is there too. Thanks for watching.